In DuPage County, a diverse population of just under 1 million residents, we recognize that a culture of health begins by cultivating a healthy generation. Matty Bertrand, a sophomore at Glenbard West High School in Glen Ellen, lives with cystic fibrosis, a disease that requires treatment 3 times a day in order to breathe. Matty's definition of a healthy generation means influencing policy change to curtail smoking in public parks.
They couldn't make the Prairie Pass smoke-free because it spans a whole bunch of towns, but they are willing to put up signs that we help make to encourage people not to smoke. People are responding that, like, people are actually saying, yeah, we want to make these parks smoke-free. We believe in this.
Naperville is the 5th largest city in Illinois. Cultivating a healthy generation to Mayor Steve Jericho, a father and grandfather, meant a change in policy to discourage youth smoking.
That's been demonstrated to show that the people in that age category, that's where addiction starts for most of them. So the follow-up with that is that we believe, I hope, that by Naperville taking the lead on this initiative, that our surrounding communities will consider this as well and perhaps take the same, pass the same ordinance, and even better, if possible, the state of Illinois.
The Health Department's new community center was designed to eliminate the stigma of those with mental health issues and includes the Rise and Shine Cafe, a job skills program that cafe coordinator Edward Cornell sees as a bridge to a healthy generation.
I have a lot of goals where I just want to empower all the volunteers or all the folks that do want to come out and go through this work program and help out in the community center. I want to help them overcome barriers or challenges that they face. I want to help instill confidence so that they're able to not only not isolate, but also bond and meet other people here in the community center and eventually help them find a job.
The district, 3rd largest in the state, was recognized on Capitol Hill for reducing AP disparities, and AP enrollment at Glenbard South now reflects its diverse student body.
I always kind of knew about AP, but I didn't really think it was for me up until end of freshman year choosing my classes. My guidance counselor actually asked me, was I interested in taking any AP course my sophomore year, and because of it, I actually decided to challenge myself and take an AP history course for my sophomore year.
AP classes allow students to delve into a lot of different topics and see a lot of different opinions than they would in regular classes, and I think that's very important in our more multicultural society for students to have that background of being exposed to different ideas and being able to challenge themselves.
Teresa immigrated to Roselle from Mexico in 2009 and had no insurance when she learned she had a heart condition in 2011. She said the Access DuPage program helped her receive medical care.
Estuve enferma y una trabajadora social fue la que me recomendó que hiciera yo mi aplicación para Access DuPage. A raíz de eso yo saqué mi credencial y he tenido una magnífica atención. Okay. Me siento muy bien y la gente que colabora es lindísima.
Communities like Bensenville and Naperville are cultivating healthy generations through active transportation policies and system changes aimed at improving health for all residents of DuPage.
We're going to provide an atmosphere where families can grow up and children can grow up in a safe environment that's not just safe, public safety safe, but also safe in terms of their health.